Hello and welcome to the English Department's companion video for Writing Project 2, Op-Ed and Flyer. Remember, this video does not replace the assignment prompt. Make sure you read the instructions in addition to watching the video. The genre for this assignment is an op-ed and a flyer. Historically, op-ed meant opposite the editorial. The editorial board of a newspaper would write an opinion-based piece, and readers could write in with their responses, which would be posted in the opposite column. Op-eds are generally short articles written by specialists, experts, or those knowledgeable about a subject. For this assignment, you will use your expertise to write an op-ed related to student life, campus issues, or academia in general. You can choose a topic from within your chosen area of study, or, if you have not yet decided on a major, choose a student-related topic you find interesting or a campus problem you think you can help solve. For example, have you noticed that purchasing a parking permit is expensive and does not guarantee you a parking spot close to class? You could write an op-ed explaining the problems with campus parking and offering your solutions. The goal of your op-ed is to persuade your audience to take some action, change their way of thinking, or just regard your argument as valid, while using limited outside sources. To further support your argument, you'll work within the genre of visual rhetoric to create a flyer. Flyers are generally single-page documents that contain minimal text and convey an argument through pictures, icons, graphs, and/or charts. Your flyer will present a visual representation to go along with the written argument in your op-ed. Consider where you might place a flyer in order to ensure the greatest number of people in your audience can see it, making sure it has the desired effect. Think of flyers you've seen on bulletin boards in the student union, classrooms, dorm buildings, or in your school or community newspapers. What about well-made flyers caught your attention? Have you ever seen an ineffective flyer, maybe with a fuzzy photo or typos in the text? How can you make sure your flyer is correct, appropriate, and effective? Finally, consider your target audience. Who do you want to see your flyer and why? Placing a flyer in the classroom will ensure that teachers and students have the chance to see it. However, publishing a flyer in a newspaper widens your audience to include administrators, parents, and community members. How can you combine visuals and text to promote your position and urge your audience to react? The 1-2 punch of a short, opinionated-based op-ed with a succinct, visually driven flyer combines genres to produce the strongest effect in the widest audience possible. Get creative and have fun! Thank you for watching, and contact your instructor with any questions.